My name is Dila and I'm coming from SOCAR Türkiye. It's a company based in Baku, Azerbaijan, but it has some facilities in Turkey also. We are mainly making downstream, upstream and midstream of the oil and gas business. In our company, we have a good team of people focusing on the digitalization regarding all aspects of it. Like we have a data team, we have an ideation team, and we have an adaptation team. And we kind of combine all these three, human, data, and engineering all together and make out of a good product and make use of it, improve efficiency. So this was our message in our presentation in our yesterday's meeting. You know, there are lots of data now gathering in some places, like in maybe maintenance, in operations, but it's really important to define what is the goal of our companies. So will it be a kind of sustainability, improvement in efficiency? So I think this big goal for ourselves to define is very important so that we can make steps towards it. In AUTOMA, I see many participants coming from very similar backgrounds to me, and they are kind of facing the same issues, facing the same problems, and also our way of doing is very similar. So it makes a relief for me, and also we talk a lot about the projects in human element, in technology element. So both in networking was a good opportunity for me, and also hearing from other parts, from the other parts of the world, to hearing the same voices makes me feel good. For becoming an effective leader, I believe both empathy and also background in the knowledge of the business is important. So actually, you should be somehow find a way to be on the shoes on the other side business unit to make it more digital. So the needs are, I think, the driving factor for digital solutions. So I think empathy should be a leader's most important attribute. And maybe also it should be aligned with your company's values so that everything you make is making value and also it's sustainable.